Front-running is one of the biggest problems in DeFi. It happens when someone sees your transaction before it's confirmed and jumps ahead to profit from it. Let's say you're buying a token. Before your trade is finalized, a bot copies your move, but uses a higher gas fee. The transaction goes through first, they buy low, sell high, and leave you with the loss. This is called MEV, minor extractable value. And it's not just limited to tokens. It affects NFT drops, arbitrage, lending, and even DAO votes. Why does this happen? Because most blockchains make your pending transactions public before they're confirmed. Phala Network changes this game. Instead of revealing your transactions to everyone, Phala processes them privately, away from public view. So how does Phala do that? It uses confidential smart contracts, contracts that execute without exposing your data. When you interact with a Phala dApp, your transaction stays invisible to bots and miners. They can't copy it, front-run it, or manipulate it because they never see it. This removes the mempool visibility that front-running bots rely on. And the result? You get fair execution every time. No gas wars, no priority sniping, no stolen profits. Phala brings true privacy to DeFi, not by hiding the outcome, but by hiding the process until it's done. It's like sending a sealed letter instead of a public postcard. This tech doesn't just help DeFi. It protects everything from identity and messaging to gaming and AI logic. In Web3, privacy equals protection. And with Phala, it's finally built in. Smash that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more Web3 content that actually makes sense.